Let's see how the MTK Metal Template Kit can simplify your next electric strike installation. Let's start by securing the template. Adjust the LP slide for different frame reveals. Be sure to center the template on the latch bolt center line. Now grab a marker. It's time to trace around the template. Here's a tip. Extend your line beyond the template itself so that you can still see your markings when you start cutting. Speaking of cutting, it's almost time to cut the frame. But first, be sure to remove the template. The MTK is meant to be used over again, so cutting the frame with the template still secured could ruin your template, your cutting tools, or your frame. Let's get cutting. Always wear hearing and eye protection when working with power tools. A high-speed rotary tool should be used to cut the frame and make room for the new electric strike. Be careful when you remove the frame piece. It may be hot after cutting. That's it. The MTK Metal Template Kit makes installs easy. Be sure to watch for more videos to help you work smarter and choose the right solution. Thanks for watching.